How long do Payne furnaces last?
Payne furnaces are literally a pain, almost from the get-go.
I'm thinking of going and getting one.
Payne gets about 20% more negative reviews than positive ones.
Goodman and Bryant have far worse ratios of good to bad reviews.
Payne furnaces will last as long as you can stand the noise from the fans and motors.
All furnaces are noisy.
Payne furnaces need to be fixed every year or two, with major, costly repairs. Motors, blowers, control panels all go out, sometimes repeatedly.
Motors go out on lawnmowers and cars because they are the workhorses of the unit.
Payne even manages to have the heat exchangers go out after a few years. Something other manufacturers offer a lifetime warranty before because it is like the one part in a Model T car that never broke.
That does not sound like very good quality.
Payne furnaces have about a 1 in 10 chance of the burners going out right after installation. Then the new unit costs several $100s to fix or a few weeks to wait for a replacement part.
The only thing worse than replacing a broken furnace is having the new one crap out too.
So your Payne furnace may last a decade if you can afford the endless repair bills.
Or I may want to send it back after the first time it dies.
Good luck getting help from Payne's customer service. They literally live up to their name, being a pain in the butt to reach and really get resolution.
Or I could save myself the pain and not get a pain.
If you're unlucky enough to live in a house where the builder already installed one, start saving up for a replacement that isn't such a pain. Actually, any model but Payne, Goodman or American Standard.